Hey Ryker fans, it's Ryker Ferg. So I didn't finish with the trailer. You'll see that in the next video when I get it done, but something else happened while I was working on the trailer. My door handle busted. See? So guess what we're gonna be doing today, Ryker fans? That's right, fixing us a door handle. Come on and give me this. A wrench. What's that? It is. Piece that broke off. So let me tell you about this house. There's more to it than I go into it, but we've been having issues with this house since we bought it. I mean by issues. So now, we'll go ahead and put this new door in. Alright, step one. The dog starts licking me. I'm just going to reuse the old screws I have, Ryker fans. Why reinvent the wheel? Alright Ryker fans, this is Ryker Ferg. I wanted to show you that door I finished. So this is the outside. It did really nice, came in really well. There's the inside, and then now you see that works phenomenal. It was called Quick Set from Lowe's. Sorry the video died while I was probably almost installing it. But here it is, Ryker fans. I wanted to show y'all. It turned out really good. Alright, Ryker Ferg out.